to authorize the user whose email address that we have entered as the default from, I can simply click the Authorize button. And this will take me to login.microsoftonline.com, and it will ask me to sign in as the user whose email address that we have entered. So in this case, I enter the user's password and I click to sign in. If you have MFA enabled, then you simply do as you're asked. In this case, I need to enter the number that I see on my screen. And I use the Authenticator app for that. And after I've done so successfully, I return to my website, and as you can see, I'm authorized. And also I can see here that delegated permissions are now recognized by WPO 365. If you want to revoke the authorization, you can simply uncheck the box of delegated permissions, and by doing that I can check the status again, and you can see that I'm unauthorized again. What you also see is that there is another box for application permissions. So you see here a little red dot, and it says that basically WPO 365 could not retrieve application permissions, but since we did not configure those, that's totally okay. We can simply ignore that message. It's just an information basically at this point in time. We did not configure application permissions because application permissions allow WPO 365 to send email as any user. And that simply is a very big security risk.